Live from Southwest Florida's only primetime news source. This is Fox 4 News at 10.
We all want to feel and look younger, but it comes at a cost. Working out, eating healthier, taking supplements, it's exhausting. What if I told you some people swear by this juice? It is the latest trend sweeping Naples. In tonight's Fox 4 Your Health report, Kathy Sines shows why some say the juice contains the fountain of youth.
This North Naples home is the scene of a party.
Good stuff.
But instead of people taking shots of Cuervo or Absolute, Zango is the drink of choice. The all-natural fruit juice comes from the mangosteen, a fruit that comes from Southeast Asia.
This is what a mangosteen looks like. This is a replica. But you won't see this fruit at your local grocery store. That's because you can't import the fruit. Zango has found a way to make it into a juice form, and that's how folks are enjoying this fruit in the United States.
I want to thank everybody for coming.
Jerry Sierra throws Zango parties here in Naples. It's a way for people to learn about a juice he tells me can help them feel younger.
When I got introduced to this juice, very skeptic. I just thought another little Tupperware party.
But the party turned Maria Santos into a believer. She didn't think anything could help her arthritis.
I developed arthritis, and I used to be very athletic, and when that came in, it kind of made me sad.
Until Zango put a smile on her face again.
I did it for 3 days in a row, and I was just amazed that this juice took my pain away.
A juice that can take someone's pain away. Sounds too good to be true, right? Zango distributor Greg Adair says the not-so-secret ingredient is in the mangosteen's rind.
The rind of the fruit contains xanthone, a chemical compound. It's spelled Xanthone.
I did some research and found several studies from schools of pharmacy and schools of medicine around the world praising the mangosteen for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Most of us know about the antioxidant benefits of vitamin C and E, but fewer of us are aware of the potent antioxidant powers of xanthones. Over 40 xanthones have been discovered in the mangosteen. I learned for centuries this fruit has been used in Asia as a primary source of medicinal healing.
You get sick, you go to the doctor, get a prescription. In those parts of the world, they eat a lot better than we do, and so they're used to taking things to solve their problems. Fruits and vegetables.
But just how much mangosteen is in Zango remains a mystery. That's because the patented formula is a secret.
They added a few fruit juices to it because the rind of the fruit is where all the benefits are. It's very bitter, so if we just pureed the fruit, you probably wouldn't drink it.
Mark Bowman drinks it, and he says he gladly pays $40 a bottle.
You think about all the things that are out there and the things that we spend money on as far as just in regular vitamins and other nutritional supplements. Spending the dollars on this is well worth it as far as I'm concerned.
You don't want to have health issues in your later years.
Mary Ransland believes Zango is the fountain of youth. But Jerry admits the juice isn't a miracle concoction.
This is not a cure-all. This is a product that will help and improve your life.
Promises of a healthier life. These folks are more than happy to drink to that. In North Naples, Kathy Sines, Fox 4 News.
Kathy tells me the juice tastes like a bitter cranberry juice. I found out that as a dietary supplement, Zango is considered a food. Therefore, it does not require approval from the Food and Drug Administration. Zango isn't sold in stores, but for more information, you can go to our website, fox4florida.com. What is one of...